Definition of URG-ACK-PSH-FIN flood DDoS attack. An URG-ACK-PSH-FIN flood is a layer 4 DDoS attack designed to disrupt network activity by saturating bandwidth and resources on stateful devices in its path. By continuously sending URG-ACK-PSH-FIN packets towards a target, stateful defenses can go down, in some cases into a fail-open mode. URG-ACK-PSH-FIN packets are considered an illegal packet by the original TCP RFC. While it left room for customized behavior, it is virtually unused today. Thus, different systems can react differently to these packets and may cause unexpected issues in behavior. This image shows the analysis of an URG-ACK-PSH-FIN flood, as depicts a high rate of URG-ACK-PSH-FIN packets being sent from a single source IP towards a single destination IP. One can see the flood of URG-ACK-PSH-FIN packets coming from a single source to a single destination, that is port 80. This image shows that the victim is responding to URG-ACK-PSH-FIN packet with a reset packet. The reason this reset packet is received in response to the original URG-ACK-PSH-FIN packet is because the TCP stack that is receiving the URG-ACK-PSH-FIN packet never had a corresponding sequence of SYN+ACK, otherwise known as the TCP handshake. Some environments may opt not to send a reset packet back to the source of the offending URG-ACK-PSH-FIN packet. The URG-ACK-PSH-FIN packet is known as an out-of-state packet. Generally, in this kind of attack, it is observed that a high rate of URG-ACK-PSH-FIN packets and a slightly lesser rate of reset packets coming from the targeted server. Analysis of an URG-ACK-PSH-FIN flood in Wireshark. Use the following filter to seal URG-ACK-PSH-FIN packets in a PCAP. Go to Statistics, Summary, on the menu bar to understand the rate you are looking at.